Hello everyone, in front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, go to contacts and pick the one that you wish to add this profile picture to. Click on edit icon, mark camera, and now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick something from my gallery. Give it a couple of seconds to upload. So let's do it one more time. And now, as you can see, we can smoothly pick some picture. You can choose the album from which you would like to pick it and then customize it however you want. Then tap on confirmation mark and select save to apply the change. So that's it. This is how you can smoothly and easily add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.